Okay, so if you're thinking about doing this for yourself, don't. It has been an absolute cunt. Poor bike. So basically we're heating it up so it expands, then just bashing it. Okay, so after about 10 minutes of repeatedly whacking it, there, it's stuck again. Fuck's sake. Got it. So that one's out. Thank fuck. Oh, new one. Grease. They're not very sparing with the grease.
Barely enough.
Have you got grease? Make sure they've all got grease in them. Okay, so Matt Darrell's doing my headset bearings. Darrell's molestering something in his shed. Taking these apart, cracked that off, taking all this and the headlight off. It's 3 or 4 bolts. Yeah, not much to it. There. Let's have a mallet. Rubber. Need some persuasion. Is it coming?
Apparently.
Fucking bike. No, the metal one will damage it. What?
Be gentle with it.
No, it'll damage it. That'll damage it. Oh, I know what we done last time.
What?
Well, we had the bars off last time for a start. Push down on them. But it's not fucking playing ball. Yeah, do it side to side.
Give it a good hit. I think the rubber's doing it.
Poor hammer. Right, be back when we have this off. Okay, so we just managed to get it off. Right. You should have a castle nut spanner. Don't use a screwdriver and a hammer. Bad idea. But it works. See if that's undone enough. Yeah. Right, Dan, I'm gonna need you to hold the bike. Right, there. Oh, don't push it down. It's gonna fall. You need to hold it up. Ooh, they fucked. They bad. Yeah, that's all one piece. Like that. That's why you need to hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it. Got the stand then.
The stand. Don't do this to your motorcycle. It looks like Jerry Mack's Chopzilla. Don't know whether to replace this or not.
Replace what?
The inner cup.
They're easy to get out.
Are they?
Mine were. I just tucked them out.
With what? Screwdriver and a hammer again? Perhaps it's a lever bar. I've got the actual tool for this at home. Yeah, no chance. No chance. So that's a screwdriver. Screwdriver's not long enough. It's not playing ball, is it?
Just hitting the side of it.
What? Yeah, it's hitting the screwdriver. Need like a bigger screwdriver. Where's the good lever bar?
Don't know.
Where? No, it's not.
Lever bar's down there somewhere.
The good lever bar isn't in there.
Which one are you talking about?
The one with the green handle. That's better.
The only snap-on thing I had.
It's not snap-on.
It is snap-on.
It's not.
Why?
It would say on it. Warning. No. Snap-on says...
What's the snap-on?
It's not. It would say it on it. It'd be engraved into it. So look-alike.
Got it from work.
Doesn't mean it's snap-on.
That's all they use is snap-on.
Well, obviously not.
You're just hitting it against yourself.
No, it'll work as a pivot. It'll pull it out sideways. No, I think it's probably better to leave them. The cups don't really wear anyway, it's more the fucking bearing. You got a little cloth to clean it.
Yeah, you one on the table.
Fucking hell, mate.
Hmm?
Whoa, big fella, stop smashing shit. She's on the tripper snipper. Okay, so after a very long and painful process, it is now on. Does fit. Now, just going to give it some more grease. Grease. Joy. Make sure you got loads of grease in it. I'm pretty sure you only do these castle nuts up finger tight, don't you, Dar?
Yeah.
Otherwise you get really heavy steering in it. It's absolutely dog shit to ride. So now it's just a case of putting everything back on and making sure it's all good. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the rest of this video by putting everything back on, and then I'm going to go out for a ride because this has been an absolute cunt of a job. So if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments, leave a like and subscribe if you want more content.